This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Rzml. And by the way, this Rzml ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your data from the further ransomware possible attacks. Now, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office data, and other documents. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Rzml ransomware may be very easily injected into the computers. So very soon after users restart their systems, they suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files, and that they are no longer able to access their data. Their data, all their files, get encrypted with this Rzml ransomware. And this ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends this Rzml extension to the file names. It is then impossible to use the files anymore because of this Rzml ransomware. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode, and only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature that helps to protect the data and helps to remove this ransomware, of course. But this feature does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but premium license is a much better solution, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate its features. Considering file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.